guys, welcome back to Nana's Food World. Yes, today we are making this delicious no yeast puff. Just look at that. It's so good, so delicious. So come along with me and let's do this. If you are new here, you are welcome. If you're an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much for coming back. Let's do this delicious recipe. You are going to love this, okay? Come on, let's start. So guys, I have my self-raising flour here, okay? I add some sugar. You know I love using brown sugar. You can use white sugar if you prefer. And then I'll add my cinnamon, or you can add nutmeg, whichever you prefer. I love cinnamon. I'll put all the measurements in the description box for you. And then my yogurt and my vanilla extract, okay? So yeah, I told you it's a very easy recipe. And then I'll use milk, okay? Fresh milk, just to add to combine it nicely. I really want a very good texture. All right, this is what I want it to be. As you can see here, that is the texture I am going for. All right, so yeah, you cover it for a few minutes, okay, for it to rest for about 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and then you're frying. We are frying. So easy, guys. So come along. As you can see, I'm turning it really consistently so that it won't burn on one side. It will have a lovely color all around, okay? So just do that and you'll have a really lovely puff or Bofrot. Look at that. It's amazing, guys. You can add anything to it of your choice. My kids love it with cinnamon and sugar, and roll it like that, and they love it with it. You can add some condensed milk. You can add also anything of your choice to it, and it tastes amazing. Just look at the texture. Oh my word, it's absolutely delicious. So if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks for watching, and may God richly bless you. Have a good holiday. Bye.